All the units bolt to the wall. We recommend using leveler feet or casters on the MBBU. It helps insulate it from the floor and allows you to move it around a little more easily. And of course, it's good to install the batteries after it's already been mounted. The network units, coverage units, EPO switch, and remote annunciator, of course, go on the wall the same way. And we have waterproof Ethernet connectors, which are installed after the cables that will make these watertight. And we also have a Bluetooth antenna. It's an SMA antenna that you'll screw on, and also another antenna for cellular. The cellular antenna is for wireless connection to the portal in the cloud, and the Bluetooth antenna is for the app on your phone that you'll use to upload your configuration package to the system.